the most important things about security when it comes to software is to not try to bolt it on later. When the company was founded and the first folks were really thinking through what do we want this thing to look like, they actually had a vision very early on about not just what smart grid is, but actually how to secure it. What does a secure smart grid look like, and how can we build that in from day one? Applying a layered approach of security at all layers of the network stack, ensuring that the devices require appropriate authentication and authorization before they'll perform any action. And it really provides an extremely robust and very sophisticated mechanism to ensure that the smart grid stays secure and at the same time is relatively still easy to use, even with the sophisticated security that's built in. What a mesh does offer is resilience and reliability. So for example, in a mesh network, if one of the nodes drops out, the other nodes just route around it. It's referred to as self-healing. In terms of the availability of the grid, its resilience to storms or outages or even attacks, the mesh network definitely has some distinct advantages. With something like an Internet of Things, where you've got millions or tens of millions or potentially billions of devices, if there's a successful compromise at that scale, the implications are pretty amazing, right? So if you could compromise an IoT network of 10 million or 100 million devices and then use that to your own purposes, that could be really damaging. The other element to this is that many IoT devices aren't particularly powerful from a computing capability. So with our network, network interface cards that we deploy that build these meshes over radio frequency, they're actually rather full-featured devices. They have a lot of computing power. So we really need a more flexible, broader approach as well that can address different types of devices, so meters, healthcare systems, something you plug into a refrigerator or a coffee maker, but also be able to address things that have wildly different capabilities in the hardware and software as well.